Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So tab on TradingView app, and from here you will be just selected any of crypto like BTC in USDT, and as you can see there is a chart which is analytics, and I want to just tap for this trade button and it will just connect through our trusted broker. So just tap for paper trading. So it will discover the scrollable toolbar, access more tool even more easily with the scrollable tool. So just tap. So just tap for continue. So right now in this way you will just have to create a demo account and you will be just have to practice for the future. That's it.